Hi guys, and welcome to Glowing with Kay. In today's video I will be braiding my hair. It's been over a month and my hair was starting to break out, so I got this 8-in-1 hair expression from Amazon. As I showed you earlier, it was 8 pockets, so I actually used 8 of it to braid my hair. I decided to do big box braid just to save time. So guys, let's do this. So guys, I decided to do the rubber band method just to save time also and to make it easier for me. So I went ahead and put the hair in hot water, and this is my new look, guys. I hope you love it. Do not forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe to my channel, and also hit the notification bell below so you can always get notified each time I upload new videos, guys. So I went ahead to show you different styles, different ways you can style your box braid. I hope you like it. Tell me what you think. So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you guys next Monday. Bye.